I am here at one of the finest township projects by Hiranandani across India, Hiranandani Fortune City at Panvel. Working since 1978, they have combined brilliant architecture with quintessential living experience and provided qualitative living experience for all the people who choose Hiranandani over the others. Spread across 588 acres, this is an integrated township project at its best. Here you will be getting educational facilities, medical facilities, shopping complex, retail arcade, everything which you can possibly need will be provided right here in your township itself. At the very first came the Garden Enclave, which was the first residential tower, after which came the commercial towers which are now under Yotta, the largest data center. Then came the Forest Enclave, which is again a residential tower with expansive and spacious layouts and panoramic views. What is now under construction is the Golden Willows, and the construction work is in full swing, as you can see right behind me. Along with this, what is under construction is the biggest clubhouse of Hiranandani till date. And lastly, we have the upcoming commercial tower Ebony and the arena, which is going to be a sports-themed residential tower. The excavation work for both of which has already started. At Hiranandani, you have wide range of configurations available for you, from studio apartments up till 4 BHK premium homes waiting just for you. Now, I will be taking you to a 3 BHK sample apartment of 1600 square feet with beautiful views of Mathiran Hills. Let's just go now to the biggest 2 BHK of 1100 square feet at Hiranandani. Given the kind of massive project Hiranandani is, and the number of options which are available to you, whether it is resale, rental or new projects, you need a perfect guide which can help you throughout the entire process of home buying. Whether you are an end user or an investor looking for a good location and good price appreciation, this is where Rubaru comes in. Rubaru has been here for past 12 years, pretty much since when Hiranandani has been. So we have seen Hiranandani grow, and we will also see the upcoming developments which are going to come up very soon, as I've already told you in the entire video. The last thing which I'm going to say is that all your questions related to real estate will be answered by Rubaru. So put them down in the comment section and we'll see to it that we get back to you in the replies.